Are you searching for the best and most affordable car insurance in Kenya? Before you sign up for any policy, here are the top 5 car insurance companies in Kenya you need to know in 2025. Stay till the end, number 1 might surprise you. Number 5, CIC Insurance Group. Kicking off our list is CIC Insurance Group. They are known for flexible policies, fast claims processing, then great rates for private and commercial vehicles. Highlights: instant online quotes, affordable premiums for young drivers, optional personal accident cover. Number 4, Britam Insurance. At number 4, we have Britam. They offer both third-party and comprehensive cover, with easy monthly payments and a good track record on claims. Why Kenyans like Britam? Mobile claim support, 24/7 emergency assistance, loyalty benefits and discounts. Number 3, GA Insurance. Coming in at number 3 is GA Insurance. They are one of the oldest insurance companies in Kenya and are especially trusted for comprehensive vehicle coverage. Top features: fast accident response, coverage for theft and fire, excellent customer reviews. Number 2, Jubilee Insurance. At number 2 is Jubilee Insurance, the favorite for corporate clients and individuals alike. Their strong financial backing makes them one of the most reliable insurers in the country. Key benefits: wide garage network, smooth claim process, good coverage for fleet vehicles. Number 1, APA Insurance Kenya. And taking the top spot is APA Insurance Kenya. With competitive pricing, great customer support, and broad coverage options, APA is the go-to choice for many Kenyan drivers in 2025. Why APA is number 1? Roadside assistance included. Real-time policy access via app. Great value for money. There you have it, the top 5 car insurance companies in Kenya right now. Always compare rates and coverage before choosing the best one for your needs. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more updates on finance, insurance, and money-saving tips in Kenya. Let us know in the comments which insurance company are you using.